This is an old laptop cooling stand. There were 6 fans in the stand. Okay, let's go to see the 3 simple and easy ways to give power to cooling fans. If you are making portable device, this is the best option. Phone battery normally takes 3.7 to 4.2 voltage. It's very enough to cooling fan. Phone charger is another item that able to give 5-volt power. If you do not want this plastic guard, you can remove it and take out the circuit. USB cable transfer between 4 to 5 voltage. So we can use it for this need. Simply remove the shield of war and then you will see 4 wires with green, white, red and black. We do not need green and white wires. So cut them off and connect to the fan. Now you know few different easy ways to give power to cooling fan. So if you know some other ways, please comment below to let know others. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a good day all of you.